How to make passive income online. So I'm going to get right into 5 or 6 different ideas on how to make passive income online, and at the end I'm going to tie it all together with kind of a obvious secret that most people overlook. So the first thing on my list is really putting together a blog. So if you have a particular niche or something that you're passionate in or have experience in, I would suggest putting together a blog. Use WordPress, go to SiteGround, get some hosting, one-click install, boom, you have a blog. Now I know you're like, oh my God, that is so much work and constantly writing and doing all these things. Your blog is going to ultimately be your centerpiece. It's going to be what is going to give the synergy for this whole system. It is your home base that you own the traffic once it gets there, and you control what you do with it. So you can monetize a blog in any number of ways. You can have capture emails for your email list. You can have affiliate marketing links. You can have ad revenue on there from AdSense, and a number of different ways to monetize that. Now, let me back up a quick second and talk about something before I go into number 2, and that is there is no Staples easy button, push button, passive income, easy make money online. It all takes work. But the secret with passive income is that you're not trading your time for dollars. You're not putting on a suit and tie and driving downtown and working for the man and trading time for dollars. What you're doing is you're creating asset pieces that work for you in your sleep. When you're camping, see here, I'm standing in front of the trailer. We're going on our big annual camping trip here in a couple of days. So I'm going to be making passive income while we're roasting s'mores and going on hikes and fishing and things. And that is ultimately the beauty of passive income online. So the second thing on my list that I want to talk about is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is awesome, and I love it, and I talk about it all the time here on the channel. There's all kinds of videos that I have here that talk about affiliate marketing and how to make money doing that. But putting affiliate marketing links just basically everywhere, creating landing pages, driving specific traffic. I talk about all this in all my videos. So affiliate marketing is a killer passive income. You don't have to do customer support. You don't have to do shipping, fulfillment. You don't have to do any of that stuff. So affiliate marketing is definitely one of my top passive income sources. Hey guys, a little extra bonus. I have finished the affiliate marketing infographic that I've been promising you for so long. I'll put a link to it in the description below, and you can go straight to the website. No name, no email address, no nothing. Just go and download it and enjoy. I hope it helps you out in your affiliate marketing endeavors. Another one of my suggestions, number 3 on my list, is to do e-commerce. And I don't just mean traditional e-commerce where you get a website and you have a whole warehouse full of stuff and things. I'm talking about a more passive way of doing that, and that is either by drop shipping, where you have your supplier just send the product and do the shipping and fulfillment for you, or maybe print on demand. Print on demand is easy. It's very much like drop shipping. You just send the order to the printer and they print it up and send it on to your customer. Or maybe if you do have physical products in storage, you could send them to Amazon FBA, and they will take care of the third-party logistics and all of that type of fulfillment for you. And ultimately what you're doing is you're sitting around with your laptop, maybe doing customer service, collecting money, doing whatever. The fourth thing on my list is to start a YouTube channel. Now, if you're not comfortable in front of your smartphone and a selfie stick in your own front yard, don't worry, you don't have to ultimately get on camera to do it. If you are a subject matter expert and you are great at archery or mechanics or I don't know, just about anything, guitar, man, you name it, you can create a YouTube channel really where you don't have to get online. You could do screenshots from your computer, you could do slideshows, different number of things to start a YouTube channel. And ultimately what's great about that is people will view your content, share your content, consume your content, and you can have all sorts of affiliate links and other ways to monetize a YouTube channel. Next on my list kind of plays off of that subject matter expert of having a YouTube channel, and that is if you are an expert on something that is teachable, perhaps you could create a digital course on that and put it up on a service like Udemy, where you can sell classes to people that are looking to learn how to do something, and something that kind of bumps into that and is very similar to that, and that is creating Kindle books for Amazon. So maybe you're a subject matter expert and you can create a Kindle ebook. Something like that is extreme passive income. So these are just a few ideas that I want to share with you as we're getting ready to go travel. Wanted to kind of run this down with you so that you can get a better idea of how to make passive income online. Now, the kicker and the bonus that I was kind of talking about is ultimately you put all of these things together. You don't go and randomize these things. You know, your e-commerce products and your affiliate marketing and all this stuff, all of this stuff should ultimately be in one niche so that you can use, just like I was talking about having your blog or your website, you can have that and create that synergy piece from your blog and send traffic to Amazon to download your Kindle book on, you know, your camping niche, and then you have camping products to sell on FBA, and you have affiliate links that are in the camping niche. It all works together as synergy, and you're creating that asset that works for you in your sleep. So anyways, like I said, I hope that you got some value out of this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can stay up on the latest. Be sure to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future videos, and don't forget to like this video. Now, watch that video next. Go ahead, watch that video.